All right, so I saw this on the internet, and I thought, there's no way this could work. Have you seen this?
I have. I've seen it. I don't know that I really believe it works.
I don't think it works. All right, so here's the deal. You take a tea bag, right? This is so cool. I saw this. It flies up in the air, supposedly.
I think they use Lipton tea or something, didn't they? Does that matter?
Think it's gonna be okay?
I don't know.
I got
What
some.
kind is that?
I got some positive energy. Tea.
Well, it's going to be better.
Oh. All right. All right, so check this out. So when you take your tea bag, you do have to do this. Take the sizzle.
Sizzle majizzle.
Sizzle majizzle. Dispose of that. You take all the tea. You know, I didn't know this, Jim. But look, it turns into two. There's two.
Oh, wow, I didn't catch that either.
So you dump all the tea here like that.
So it's one tea bag just folded in half.
Yeah, that's what it is. And this paper, something with this paper is really cool. So, all right, so you cut the tea bag, you get rid of all the tea grounds, then you take this existing tea, and then you put your finger into it, you turn it into like a little cylinder. And when you...
Okay, this is the part, this is where I saw. I came in on this. I didn't see this setup, but
No,
yeah,
that's
that looks like what they had.
Yeah, so take this here. Kids, don't try this in the house. You're full-blown stupid.
Go to your friend's house and try it.
Go to your friend's house.
What the hell?
Place looks good.
Why are we at my house? And
No,
not
he's
your
like,
house?
you're not doing this in our house.
Yeah, she sent you over here, didn't she?
Yes, you did.
Damn it.
I called